Hello everyone, I would like to show you how to open locked glove compartment for 2006 Acura RSX Type-S. In my case, I have broken this plastic handle. This mechanism was still sitting in the glove box, screwed by those two bolts, screws. I have found one way on the internet and I will show you it right now, but it was not usable in my case, so I found another one. So I will be showing you two ways how to open the lock. First, how it works is that you can see here there's a plastic lock, right? It will lock the compartment, and also you can move this plastic element by moving this pin, metal pin, up and down. So the first option you can find on the internet is you can use this plastic batch. I'll show in the back this plastic batch. You can reach it with a screwdriver, or like in my case, hard metal bolt. So if you reach it from here, you can put it down, and it will also move the bolt. I'll show you from this side, so you can, if you have it from here and you move it down, if you move it down, then you have a chance to release the bolt. Okay. You can do it also from this side. Okay. However, in my case, the end of this batch was a little bit bent, as you can see it here. So whenever I tried to move the batch, it just slide. So that option was not available for me. So the second option how to open the lock is as follows. On the top you can see 3 holes in this metal casing covering, and there will be a rubber behind them. So there is a one on the top here, one in the middle, and one in the bottom. Now what you have to do, you have to take something like this, so a very thin but hard material. Now you have to go, try to show you, under, not here, but as much under as possible, because then you have a chance, if you can put it here. Okay, you can see how it goes up. Okay, and now when you have gone through this metal, this hole, and under the rubber, okay, you can just open the lock this way. Okay. So let me repeat. You have to locate this lower hole, go as far as possible, okay, just to go under to be able to go under the rubber, push it, it goes through, and then by pulling your side up, you will release the lock. Okay, I hope that was helpful to everyone. Cheers from Poland. Take care, guys.